Imagine being in constant pain, but the analgesics you're on aren't working. Or what if they make you feel even worse, with no end in sight to the pain you experience? As a caregiver, can you identify pain and assess it correctly in the people you support? Can you identify the different types of analgesics and recognise how to optimise and evaluate their effectiveness? Altura Learning's comprehensive course, Pain Management Analgesics, offers the right prescription to relieve these burning questions, because managing pain doesn't have to be a bitter pill to swallow. Altura members have access to our comprehensive suite of learning resources, including, in this course, a downloadable learning guide with additional information about analgesics. Pain Management Analgesics on Altura Learning.